today is an exciting day because we're doing the draw for the Under-19 UEFA European Championships, which will be held across North Wales in cities like here in Wrexham, Bangor, Carnarvon and Denbigh. People will get the chance to see Cymru playing and hopefully trying to win the Under-19 Euros. You've got 7 of the best teams in Europe coming here to play against us, and that is going to give people the chance to see where Cymru is today, because we're very excited about the future, but this summer will be a litmus test to see just how far we've come in terms of youth development over the years and what the future looks like for Cymru.
UEFA, of course, evaluates the dossier, so the candidature that was put forward by the Football Association of Wales. In there, obviously, the proposal was included to have it in North Wales, to develop, to invest in these regions, and that obviously is something that we see as a move forward that we support. It's very important for UEFA to have this opportunity to work together with all of our member associations, which obviously allow as well smaller, medium-sized members to come forward. Then we can assure that we can serve all our members regularly with these kind of growing experiences, right? The tournament will always allow us to make a step forward in many areas, infrastructure and sporting-wise as well. For the future, it will be good for Europe. Joining Wales in Group A.
Denmark.
Denmark.
Germany.
Germany. Give it a big shuffle.
Ooh. Spain.
Spain. I think you're right to say ooh. Spain joining Group A, Wales, Denmark and Germany.
Can we do this again? I'm not sure Chris Gunter is going to be too happy with me. Obviously, I know him pretty well, so I'm going to turn my phone off because I'm expecting a call later. I'm not sure if he'd be too happy with the draw, but no, I think on a serious note, really exciting for the young Welsh players, for the country as a whole, for the fans coming to watch the games. You know, there's some fantastic nations on show. Both groups are difficult, to be honest with you, so there's some brilliant games in there, and yeah, really looking forward, really excited to see how it goes in the summer.
This is an opportunity for these players to showcase their talent to Craig Bellamy this summer. If there's players who would perform on this tournament, they could be putting themselves in the shop window to play in a home Euros in 2028. It's all about growing the game in Wales, as well as obviously, of course, you know, leaving a legacy of talented players and getting players to our men's national team. We're also here to ensure we increase participation, get girls and boys playing football, and any event you can put on like this definitely encourages that legacy piece.